I think, wouldn't this also apply to birth, a baby growing into child, only to end up an adult, the grand representative of the retained matter of conception? As I huff and hump the mountain to beat the night, once the fire is stoked, the lamps are lit, groceries and clothes stored, I open the typewriter case, pull out the machine. There is no ribbon spool in the Royal. Royal, for if you don't know it, is the name of an old typewriter. Still, I crank in a piece of notebook paper and plink the keys. Like algebra, a typing class never made it to my checkerboard public education. I'm confident that if I can build a log cabin, teaching myself to type should be a cinch. I press random keys, then set down to business and finger